When it comes to backyard barbecue and summer cookouts, there's nothing better than a good appetizer. So why not take two delicious things like pickle spears and bacon and combine them? Today we are gonna be smoking some bacon wrapped pickles. This is something super easy. It's tangy, it's salty, it's savory, and is a great barbecue appetizer. Today I'm gonna show you exactly how I do it. One of the simplest and easiest barbecue recipes you can make. Let's get started. All right, so for these bacon wrapped pickles, it's super easy. You need bacon and you need pickles. I've seen people use pickle chips, like some thicker cut ones, or some whole pickles. We're gonna be using pickle spears today. You're gonna need some toothpicks, and you're also gonna need one of your favorite barbecue rubs. Keep in mind that bacon can be salty, and so can pickles, so pick something in terms of rub that isn't overly salty. Today, I'm using the Guga Foods all-purpose rub. It's gonna be great with these smoked bacon wrapped pickles. Now let's get started. Now this honestly is one of the most simple barbecue appetizers you can make. Pickles, bacon, barbecue rub, toothpicks, doesn't get any simpler than that. So let's start doing it. Now for this, I didn't really go with a thick cut bacon because I kind of want this to be crispy at the end. So I'm just gonna take a whole piece of bacon and start wrapping it around the pickle spear. And you want to give it a little bit of a stretch. That'll help ensure that you're going to have enough bacon to cover the actual pickle spear itself. Then get yourself a toothpick and pin that bacon right there into the pickle, like so. Super simple. Let's do it again. And pin it. Sometimes it might help to pin it at both ends, depending on how that bacon is staying on there. And if you want, you can pin it to start. That way it holds a little bit better. And just wrap your way all the way around that bacon. Wrap that bacon all the way around that pickle. Pin it again. You get the gist. We're gonna finish wrapping these, and then we'll show you the next step. Now that we've got the pickles wrapped in bacon, pinned with toothpicks, as you can see, we've got the Guga Foods all-purpose rub. We're gonna be sprinkling this all over the pickle. And like I said, as just a reminder, don't go with a rub that's overly salty because it's just going to overdo it with the pickle, the bacon, and the rub itself. All right, we've got them seasoned. Let's get them over to the Masterbuilt Gravity Series, which we have running at 325 degrees. We got these bacon wrapped pickles over here at the Masterbuilt Gravity Series. We're running it at 325 degrees. We're gonna put these up on the top rack, just like so. Because this is a barbecue appetizer, we're really not looking for internal temperature. We are looking for the doneness of the bacon. We want the bacon to be crispy. That's why we're running at 325. Time-wise, probably about 45 minutes or so. We'll go ahead and get this shut. We'll check in a bit. All right, these bacon wrapped pickles are done. Bacon is crispy. We're gonna pull all of these off of here. Now dang, those look delicious. We're gonna get these over to the table. We're gonna let them cool. We're also gonna be pulling those toothpicks out, and then we're gonna give them a try. These bacon wrapped pickles are done. We did them at 300 degrees on the Masterbuilt Gravity Series 800. Seasoned up with the Guga's all-purpose rub, the bacon crisped up. We let them cool down, and it is time to give them a try. So let's do it. Now what I was looking for with this bacon was some bite through bacon. If it's too chewy, you're not gonna be able to do a clean bite like that. This bacon turned out perfect. These are some delicious barbecue appetizers. I could even see with a little bit of barbecue sauce to glaze this, how it would make it even better. In fact, I have a little barbecue sauce here. I'm gonna give it a try. Granted, it's not glazed on, but let's just see if the flavors themselves line up. Yeah, something with a little glaze would be good on here. Something even with a little sweet hint to it would be perfect. But honestly, these bacon wrapped pickles, they're a great and super simple barbecue appetizer. This is perfect for any kind of cookout, or I think that even pair well with a steak. If you're looking for more awesome barbecue appetizer recipes and you want to see more on these Camp Chef Woodwind Pro or the Masterbuilt Gravity Series, then I suggest you check out this video right here.